The Graco Recline N Ride 3-in-1 car seat featuring On the Go Recline is the only car seat that reclines without uninstalling. Current car seats have to be uninstalled, adjusted, and reinstalled to change the recline. The On the Go Recline adjusts with one hand without uninstalling or disturbing little ones for ultimate comfort when you are out and about, with multiple recline positions, both rear-facing and forward-facing. The Recline N Ride is 3 seats in one with On the Go Recline without uninstalling. It transitions from a rear-facing harness from 5 to 40 pounds to a forward-facing harness from 22 to 65 pounds, and finally to a high-back booster from 40 to 100 pounds. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system lets you adjust the height of your harness and 10-position headrest together in one motion. For an easy seatbelt installation, the Recline N Ride has integrated belt lock-offs in rear-facing and forward-facing positions. If installing using latch, Graco's in-right latch system provides an easy 1-second attachment with an audible click for a secure installation. The machine-washable rapid remove cover removes in 60 seconds without uninstalling the seat. The integrated harness storage compartments hold the unused harness straps and chest clip while in the belt positioning booster mode. The steel reinforced frame provides strength and durability for up to 10 years of use. Graco's commitment to car seat safety starts with safe seat engineering. The Graco Recline N Ride 3-in-1 car seat featuring On the Go Recline has been engineered and rigorously crash tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standard FMV SS 213, side impact tested, and tested to extreme car interior temperatures. The Graco Recline N Ride 3-in-1 car seat featuring On the Go Recline, the only car seat that reclines without uninstalling.